Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Mint budgeting app to set budget alarms and look categories on iPhone. If you want tighter control of your spending, Mint has built-in alerts and category tools. First, download the app and open Mint app and log in with your Intuit account. Let me give you a heads up. Mint does not work in every country. Supported reasons, Mint is officially available in only the United States and Canada. It connects directly to bank, credit card, and financial institution in these countries. If you're outside the US or Canada, Mint will let you download the app, but you usually cannot connect local banks. You'd have to add expenses manually, which defeats most of Mint's purpose. So Mint is not a global app. It mainly works in US and Canada, and you need the latest iOS version to use all its features. But if you are from US and Canada, here's what to do. First, download and open the Mint app and log in with your Intuit account. On the home screen, tap Budgets. Tap Create a budget. Choose a category like food, travel, or shopping. Then enter your monthly limit. Next, tap Alerts and Notifications inside the budget setup. Here you can turn on alarms for when you're close to hitting the limit or when you go over it. These will show up as a push notification on your iPhone. To lock categories, Mint does not let you freeze spending in category, but you can only control it by setting strict budget caps. When you try to adjust, Mint will warn you before letting you reach the cap. Pair this with alerts and you'll know instantly if you overspend. Safety tip: always secure Mint with Face ID or Touch ID. Under settings, security, so no one else can peek at your financial data. Quick fix: if alerts don't show, go to iPhone settings, notification, Mint, and toggle on allow notification, then start the app. Subscribe for more quick fixes.